Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Revolved Boss in SolidWorks 2025 software. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now I am going to select plane. I am going to select front plane and sketch. Now go to select line tools and draw the origin from. Now here select, again draw the origin, horizontal and vertical and horizontal line. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 100 and this line dimension 35 and this line dimension 25. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal and this line control this line equal. Now go to select 3-point arc, this point and this point select. Now give the arc below 30. Okay. Now go to here select center line. Now give the this line and this line distance 25. Okay. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay. This point control this point vertical. Now go to feature and select revolve. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now here select fillet. Now I am going to here fillet 1 or 2. 1. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select shaded. Now go to appearance metal select. Now here select metal lead. Cast lead select. Okay. Go to again isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask you can write comment box. Please subscribe our channel.